Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to unbox this Hohem iSteady V3, which is a new version of budget gimbal that Hohem has released. And this I got it from Noon for around 325 dirhams. But this is actually the Chinese version. This is made in China, but it's officially from Hohem, so you can purchase this. But if you want the UAE version, you can get it from Noon for around 450 dirhams. So this is actually a budget gimbal and it has a lot of features. It has remote control and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this cover has to be removed first. This is the shiny box. The box looks tiny, but let's see how the gimbal is. So let's open the seal. This is the seal. Okay, here we go. This is how we open it, and yeah. So as I said, this is the Chinese version, so a lot of Chinese gibberish here. I think this is the connector and this is the case. So the case, it's not a hard case or something like that, it's just a pouch. It's not a case exactly, it's a pouch. So this is the pouch for the gimbal itself. This is the cable. It's a type A to type C connector. This is for the rats and stuff like that. Okay, it has some gibberish guide of how to set it up. We have the card. I think this is the warranty card, but I'm really not sure how to fill this. And here we go. This is the gimbal itself. So let's take this out. Okay, this is the gimbal itself, and if you see here, it's all written in Chinese, but yeah, if you have gone through the documentation of Hohem and you know how to use it, it's well and good because it has a lot of features. It has AI tracking camera right here. So
Thanks for watching. Please encourage us by subscribing for more interesting videos like this. Also do like, share and comment your thoughts. Thank you.